Hello everyone and welcome back to Top Point Healthcare Training Hub. In today's video, I'll be showing you all the things you need as a CPR instructor to teach your CPR classes. Right now, I only do American Red Cross CPR classes, but in the future, the plan is to start American Heart Association also. As a CPR instructor, we do CPR classes here in the building, and we'll also go outside to do CPR classes for people or organizations. So if you have like 3, 4, 5, 6 students, I can take all my equipment and come over there just to teach your students. Welcome to Top Point Healthcare Solutions YouTube channel. I'm Linda Daniel Dim, and this is where we break down everything healthcare, from CNA training to CPR to vital signs, first aid, and building a real career in healthcare. If that is what you're here for, you are in the right place. Let's get into it. So let's start. First, I have my American Red Cross bag. In this bag, I have my CD, and I also have some exams for my students and more. It's a big bag, so sometimes you find it difficult to get things in here, but that's okay. Let's start. So I have a knee pad for some people that find it difficult to kneel down on a hard floor. I have my instructor manual. It has all the classes that you need as American Red Cross instructor. So you have your adults and pediatrics, first aid, CPR, AED. You have your BLS, skill section, skill boost for opioid use, and this is all you need. This is what we call AED. An AED is what gives shock. So I have different types of AED. This is from American Heart Association, and then I have this from American Red Cross. So this is from American Red Cross. You always make sure you have your pediatric pads and the adult pad. I have two right here. And very important, you have your Mannequin. This is the adult Mannequin, and this is the pediatric one. So before I leave, I always make sure that my Mannequins are working. Once you have all your lights on, that means it's working. You can always change the batteries if it's not working, but always make sure I have that. And then this one does not have a lung, but you always make sure you have your lungs ready. For the lung bag, if you don't have it, then you're not going to be able to give breath and the chest won't rise. Well, you're going to give breath, but you're not going to see the chest rise. This is what the lung bag looks like. It goes down. Once you give breath, that's how you see the chest rise. For the adults, once you're doing the right thing, you can see the light come up around your shoulder. And this is how you know that your adult Mannequin is working right. Then I also make sure I have my Mannequin disinfecting wipes. This is what we use to clean up the Mannequins whenever you're done, just for infection prevention purposes. One thing that I forgot to have today is the barrier. So everybody in the class gets a barrier for giving breath. That also helps for infection prevention purposes. So for now, these are the things that I need for my CPR classes. Other than that, it's just go on and teach your class and make sure everybody gets it right. Follow me for more videos. Listen, if you're serious about a career in healthcare, this channel is going to save you time and money. Every week, we drop real training contents that you can actually use. Subscribe right now so you never miss an upload. Your future self will thank you.